Question 11. The structure labeled 5 is the A. Nucleolus, B. Golgi body, C. Mitochondrion, D. Vacuole. The question is gotten from the year 1989, question 1. Let's give that a try. Now let's see what the answer says. The correct answer is B. Golgi body. The part labeled 5 is known as the Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Next question. Question 12. Which of the labeled parts of the cell contains ribonucleic acid? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 5. That is gotten from the year 1989, question 2. Let's try that ourselves. Now let's see what the answer says. The correct answer is C. 3. So the part labeled 3 is known as the ribonucleic acid or RNA. Question 13. Which structure is known as the powerhouse of the cell? A. 6, B. 5, C. 4, D. 3. That's gotten from the year 1989, question 3. Let's give that a try. Now let's see what the answer says. The correct answer is C. Number 4. The part labeled 4 is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Question 14. Which of the following organisms does not exist as a single free living cell? A. Paramecium, B. Volvox, C. Amoeba, D. Chlamydomonas. Question 9 in year 2001. Let's give that a try. Now let's see what the answer says. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B, Volvox, because Volvox is the only organism among the organisms listed here that doesn't exist as a free living organism. It exists as a colony. Question 15. The structures found only in plant cells are A. Cell membrane and cytoplasm, B. Chromatin and nucleolus, C. Cell wall and chloroplast, D. Cell membrane and lysosome. The question is gotten from the year 2002, question 4. Let's give that a try. Okay, now let's see what the answer says. Correct answer is C. Cell wall and chloroplast. Among all the options here, cell wall and chloroplast are the only two parts found in plant cells only. Thank you for listening.